I'm here with my Breville espresso machine, and today we're going to be making an Americana. And what we need to do first is to clean and warm up the portafilter. So when you wake up in the morning, you'll see that that's going to be room temperature, 76 degrees. And so all I do is just take the empty portafilter, lock it in place, and then place a bowl underneath, and then run one cycle, and this will be the initial rinse, and this will also start warming up the portafilter a little bit. That way the coffee, the espresso that's extracted, isn't going across any cold metal and cooling down the espresso, and you'll be able to see on your gauge here that you get a better extraction. So I pop that out, place that upside down, and you can see it's already starting to sweat a little bit. And then I'll just run a second one, and you're going to have to bear with me here. And I just basically rinse with hot water, warming up that portafilter. And once that's done, come on, then I just dry it off, and we'll shoot a temperature here real quick. That warmed it up to 87 degrees. Wipe this down, plug it in place. Now I'm doing a double shot, but I still have it set to single. So I take that first single shot, tamp it down, and run it for a second single shot. This eliminates a lot of waste if you have it set for a double shot. A lot will spill over onto the draining portion there. Now here's where, when I insert it into the machine and start twisting, depending on how much resistance there is, depends on how far over I'll turn it and lock it in place for proper extraction. I'm going to start filling this up. Need to get some more water. Sometimes I just use a carafe just to add water. This will produce about 1 cup of hot water, 162 degrees. And now, if you wanted sweetener in your coffee, I'd put it in there now, stir it up, dissolve it in there, and then place your cup under there for extraction. Now let's watch the extraction. We want that at about a 45-degree angle, and it looks good. And that's exactly what we're looking for. A nice fluffy crema. That's a perfect grind, perfect. Heating up the portafilter also causes a good extraction, and proper tamping, proper tension on the portafilter and the unit, and all those give you a delicious yummy coffee. Thanks for watching.